ፊደሎቻቸው የሚዋጡ 100 የእንግሊዘኛ ቃላት ዝርዝር 100 common silent letter words. Silent B. Comb, lamb, thumb, climb, bomb, doubt, debt, subtle. Silent C. Scissors, muscle, scene, scent, science, unconscious. Silent D. Wednesday, sandwich, handsome, handkerchief. Silent E. Make, take, name, write, hope, drive, give, come, have, imagine. Silent G. Now, gnome, sign, design, foreign, campaign, align, assignment. Silent H. Honest, hour, honor, air, ghost, what, when, vehicle. Silent K. Knife, knee, no, knock, not, knowledge. Silent L. Have, come, talk, walk, yoke, could, should, summon. Silent N. Autumn, column, hymn, condemn, solemn. Silent P. Psychology, pneumonia, receipt, cupboard, psalm, psychiatrist. Silent S. Island, aisle, debris. Silent T. Listen, castle, fasten, whistle, Christmas, often, mortgage. Silent U. Guess, guard, guitar, biscuit, guilt. Silent W. Right, wrong, rap, answer, sword, hall. Silent GH. Night, light, right, high, sigh, though, through, thought, daughter, laughter. Subscribe for more.